SANPU Ear and Forehead Thermometer. Accurate measurement by SANPU is one of the best sellers among baby thermometers products. Non-contact forehead and ear thermometer, convenient, economic, easy to use, automatically converts forehead temperature mode into ear temperature mode through install or removal of the probe cover. Instant measurement, high-speed accurate scan provides you precise reading of temperature. It can provides you the reading in seconds, very fast, and the last 20 readings can be easily recalled. Unique design, it can take your forehead and ambient temperature with a clock display, i.e. 4-in-1. It most practical. High body temperature indicator, when the temperature on LCD screen exceeds 38.0 degrees Celsius 104 degrees Fahrenheit, the thermometer will send out beep beep beep. When you order today, you're protected by a 12 months, no questions asked money-back guarantee and world-class customer service. Warranty. The manufacturer provide 12 months warranty for all SANPU products in the manufacturer's store and unlimited professional customer service. If you have any problem, please email them first via email. The manufacturer will try the manufacturer's best to satisfy you in the first time.